To acquire the Shark Anchor weapon in Blox Fruits, you need to defeat the Anchor Terror Shark, summoned using a monster magnet purchased from the Shark Hunter NPC in the 3rd Sea. To buy the magnet, gather 2 terror eyes, 8 electric wings, 10 shark teeth, and 20 fool's gold. It's advisable to team up with other players as the Terror Shark has 195,000 health, making it challenging to defeat solo. Once your monster magnet attracts a Terror Shark, indicated by a prompt on your screen, work with your team to inflict at least 10% of the damage needed to qualify for the Shark Anchor drop. Remember, if someone else's magnet summons the Terror Shark, only they will receive the weapon. The Shark Anchor features 2 key abilities: Typhoon Toss, which creates water sprouts when charged, and Armor Breaker, a powerful attack based on target size.